This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the driver's side of the fascia and pull the release handle rearwards. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the slot in the underside of the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank is located at the rear of the engine compartment. With the engine cold, first cover the expansion tank cap with a wad of rag and slowly turn the cap anti-clockwise to relieve the pressure in the cooling system. Wait until any pressure remaining in the system is released. Then continue to turn the cap until it can be removed. Position a suitable container under the left-hand side of the radiator. Reach down, release the clamp, and pull the lower coolant hose from the base of the thermostat housing. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. Pull the lower hose downwards a little to aid draining. When the coolant has finished draining, remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Wipe clean the area around the thermostat connection. Press the lower hose firmly onto the thermostat housing, then secure it with the spring-type clamp. Fill the system with a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water up to the level on the expansion tank. Set the heater controls to maximum, then open the bleed screw in the radiator top hose to allow any trapped air to escape. When air-free coolant emerges, close the bleed screw. Repeat this procedure with the bleed screw in the fuel cooler hose. Refit the filler cap, then start the engine, run it until it reaches normal operating temperature, then allow it to cool. Top up the coolant level if necessary and check for leaks. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.